Hello all, welcome to the video lecture. This is Ramesh Lama. As you can see from the course levels in URL clc.chosun.ac.kr, this course deals with the problems of computer vision using the deep learning methods. So we will start with the basic understanding of computer vision and proceed further. While talking about the computer vision in simple word is the field of study that seeks to develop techniques to help computers to see and understand the content of digital image such as photographs and videos. For example, for a given image, when this image is fed to computer, the computer vision algorithms attempts to give an answer such as what kind of scene is this, where the cars are, how far is the building from the car, and so on. And another way of thinking about the computer vision is that the computer vision attempts to interpret images, that is, what is present in the scene and what actually is going on. In this figure, same as in previous image, the computer vision attempts to provide the description of image such as snow-covered ground, blue and white jacket, a lady on a blue jacket, tree with no leaves, snow on the ground, ski lift, and so on. From the previous two slides, we are almost clear that the goal of computer vision is to tell the story hidden inside the image or develop a program that can interpret these images. And in computer vision community, there is a famous saying that every picture tells a story. So the goal of the computer vision is to write a program that can interpret images or tell the story that is hidden inside the image. Now, we can say that computer vision is inspired from the human vision. So let's find the distinction and the similarities between the human vision and the computer vision. If you look at the figure, the human brain can look at the image and immediately knows that it's a flower, since we have got millions of years worth of evolutionary context to help to immediately understand what that is. However, the computer vision lacks this advantage. For computer, this given image looks just a massive array of integer value which represents the intensities across the color spectrum. So no more context is available here, just a massive pile of data. Now let us look at the similarities between human visual and the computer vision. In computer vision, eye captures the image from the scene and the brain interprets the image and generates the perception. Similarly, in computer vision, the camera captures the image and computer interprets the image and generates the perception. And we can say that both of the systems in general generates the perception of the world around it. However, we can see a big gap between the human visual and the computer vision. The human vision is an amazing feature of the natural intelligence, and we can say that the more human brain is devoted to the human vision than anything else. There are about 30,000 visual categories, and if we learn about 4.4 categories per day, it takes 18 years. In the case of human, at the age of 6, child can learn roughly 30,000 categories, that is 13.5 categories per day. So, however, the machines can't replicate the human recognition system, yet they don't pose the ability to recognize the distorted image. We can see here that the computer can't easily distinguish the queen and the bishop in the distorted image. Now the question arises, why the computer vision is so difficult? And the main reason behind this difficulty is the majority of computer vision problems are inverse and ill-posed. They don't have a unique solution. And another reason is that the computer vision related problems are complex. They are computationally intensive, and we can see, like in general, a typical video contains 30 frames per second. That means in 1 second the video contains 30 frames, and even it goes more than 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second, and so on. And another reason is the we don't fully understand the recognition problem. And let us look at the relationship of computer vision with the other disciplines. It has a close relation with the image processing, machine vision. Besides these two disciplines, it has a relation with mathematics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, control robotics, signal processing, computer graphics, imaging, and neurobiology. Here we can see that the computer graphics and imaging is related to the smart cameras, and neurobiology is related to the biological vision, and it's human computer interface. And similarly, mathematics, in mathematics it's related to geometry, and in machine learning you can see that the cognitive vision, and for artificial intelligence it is related to the computer intelligence, and control robotics is related to the robotic vision, and so on. So it's all about the basic introduction of computer vision. And as I have said that as we saw that computer vision is highly related to the image processing, and in the next lecture, in next video, we'll be discussing about the basics of image processing.